Here's the part of running a creative business nobody talks about, honestly. The actual creative work. Making videos, building products, writing content, that's maybe 30% of your day if you're lucky. The other 70% is everything else. Emails that need replies, meeting prep, follow-ups you keep forgetting, scheduling back and forths that eat 20 minutes to book a 30-minute call, social posts that need to go out consistently even when you're deep in a project. None of it is hard, all of it is relentless. And it adds up to the thing that slowly kills creative momentum, administrative drain. I've been testing something that genuinely changes this. It's called SuperIntern, and the positioning is dead on. It's not another AI chatbot you have to go to and ask questions. It's an always-on assistant that runs in the background across your inbox, your calendar, your meetings, and your social channels, doing the operational work before you even know you needed it done. Let me show you what that actually looks like in practice. Go to superintern.ai. SuperIntern is a specialized AI assistant, and the team is very clear that it's not a general-purpose AI like a chatbot. The distinction matters. General AI tools are reactive. You go to them, you prompt them, you wait for a response. SuperIntern is proactive. It's connected to your inbox, your calendar, your task tools, and your social platforms, and it works continuously in the background. You don't have to go to it. It comes to you with things already done. The primary interface is Telegram. That's an intentional choice. SuperIntern runs as a Telegram bot, so it lives in your existing messaging flow rather than being another tab you need to open. You send it instructions, it confirms and executes. Results come back in the same conversation. If you're already on Telegram throughout your day, this integration is essentially frictionless. The team behind it came from Google, DeepMind, Meta, and Yahoo. It's SOC2, Type 1 certified, runs on Google Cloud infrastructure, and uses AES 256 encryption at rest with TLS in transit. For a solo founder or creator handing this tool access to your inbox and calendar, the security architecture matters, and they've built it properly. Head to app.superintern.ai and create an account. Once you're in, the dashboard is clean. You'll see your credit balance, your connected integrations, and your chat history. The first thing to do is connect your Telegram. Click the Telegram button in the bottom left of the dashboard. This links your SuperIntern account to your Telegram account. From this point, your primary interaction with SuperIntern happens in that Telegram chat. Open your SuperIntern chat in Telegram and type /redeem super_intern to activate your trial credits. You'll get a confirmation message and the credits will appear in your dashboard. Now, connect your integrations. Back in the dashboard, click Installed Skills and work through the connections. Gmail, Google Calendar, LinkedIn, Notion, GitHub, Slack, X, YouTube. Each one takes about 30 seconds to authorize. SuperIntern supports over 1,000 integrations total. For most creators and founders, connecting Gmail and Google Calendar alone transforms the immediate daily workflow. Do those two first, then add the rest as you identify where the bottlenecks are. This is the feature that changes the starting context of your entire day. Before you open your laptop, SuperIntern has already scanned your inbox, reviewed your calendar, checked yesterday's context, and built you a morning briefing. In Telegram, you'll receive a structured overview, what meetings you have today and what they're about, which emails need your actual attention versus which are informational, any follow-ups from yesterday that are still open, and a priority list of what to focus on first. You haven't typed a single prompt. This just arrives. For a solo founder or creator, this matters more than it might sound. The cognitive load of triaging your own inbox first thing every morning. Deciding what's urgent, what can wait, what needs a reply now, that's decision fatigue you're spending before you've done a single hour of real work. SuperIntern absorbs that triage entirely. You start the day with context, not chaos. Connect Gmail and SuperIntern starts working on your inbox immediately. This is where the always-on positioning becomes concrete. Incoming emails get categorized automatically. Newsletters, notifications, and FYs get flagged as low priority. Emails that need a response get surfaced. For the ones that need replies, SuperIntern drafts responses based on your communication style, the context of the email thread, and any relevant information from your connected tools. The drafts are ready in your Telegram chat for you to approve, edit, or send. For a creator getting inbound from brands, collaborators, and community members, the volume of emails that need a real reply but not necessarily my personal reply is significant. SuperIntern handles that tier. You review and approve the draft in 30 seconds instead of writing it from scratch in 5 minutes. Over a week of email, that's hours recovered. You can also send instructions directly. In Telegram, type, reply to the email from name about the collaboration proposal, and tell them I'm interested but need to see the rate card first. SuperIntern drafts it, you confirm, it sends. The instruction took 10 seconds to type. Every meeting has 2 kinds of invisible work attached to it, the prep before and the follow-up after. Both are the kind of tasks that are easy to skip when you're busy and expensive to skip when you're trying to run a professional operation. SuperIntern automates both. Before each meeting on your calendar, it generates a briefing, who you're meeting, what the context is from previous interactions, any relevant emails or notes, and suggested talking points or questions based on the meeting title and your history with that contact. You walk into every call prepared without having spent time preparing. After each meeting, SuperIntern generates a recap. What was discussed, what was decided, what the follow-up actions are, and who owns what. These recaps drop into your Telegram chat and, if you have Notion connected, can be pushed directly to your workspace. No more, what did we actually agree to in that call last Tuesday? For scheduling, you can hand it off entirely. In Telegram, type, schedule a 30-minute call with name next week, avoid Monday mornings, and send them a calendar invite. SuperIntern checks your Google Calendar availability, identifies open slots, drafts, and sends the invite. The scheduling back and forth that usually lives in a 4-email chain is gone. For creators, content consistency is the compounding asset that builds audiences. But consistency requires showing up even when you're deep in production mode and your capacity for social content is 0. In Telegram, describe what you want. Write a LinkedIn post about why AI tools are changing solo creator workflows. Keep it under 200 words, first person, no buzzwords. SuperIntern drafts it. You read it in 30 seconds, approve or tweak, and it either goes out immediately or gets scheduled. The same workflow applies to X, Instagram captions, Reddit posts, YouTube community posts, whatever platforms you're active on. The Skill Hub inside SuperIntern's dashboard extends this further. There are pre-built skills from other creators and professionals for specific workflows, research briefings, newsletter drafts, content calendars, investor update templates. You install a skill with one click and it's available in your Telegram chat. The community-built skills mean you're not building every workflow from scratch. SuperIntern has a mobile mini app accessible directly from Telegram. For creators who think of great ideas on the go, record voice notes in meetings, or need to delegate tasks the moment they come up, the mobile experience is where SuperIntern becomes a daily habit rather than a tool you remember to use at your desk. Voice input works natively. Hold to record, describe the task, release. SuperIntern transcribes, processes, and executes. Send a follow-up email to the 3 people I met at the event yesterday, said into your phone, handled in the background while you're still at the event. SuperIntern is customizable beyond its default behaviors through the skills system. Skills are essentially installable AI workflows. You can create your own. Define a workflow in natural language, name it, and it becomes a callable function in your Telegram chat. You can also browse and install skills built by other users in the Skill Hub. This is where the compounding effect kicks in. A creator who invests 30 minutes building a custom skill for their specific content workflow, say, turning a YouTube video transcript into a newsletter draft, can invoke that workflow in one message from that point forward. The expertise gets encoded once and reused indefinitely. SuperIntern is $30 a month billed monthly, with 10% off on a quarterly plan and 20% off annually at $24 a month. Every plan includes 3,000 credits per month plus 100 free credits daily. There's a 7-day free trial, no credit card required to start. For a solo founder or creator, the math is simple. If SuperIntern recovers 2 hours per week of administrative time, it's paying for itself in the first week at any reasonable valuation of your hourly rate. Go to superintern.ai. Link is in the description. Start the 7-day trial, connect Gmail and Google Calendar, and let the morning briefing run for 3 days before you make any judgment on it. That's the feature that converts skeptics. See you in the next one.